things here in Cinnaminson, New Jersey picked up just a little bit, and anything's better than nothing all day long, right, Jude? So for breakfast, we've had 4 cars to start. We haven't had 4 cars to start in weeks here. Another shop owner, manager that I talk to regularly said that yesterday his business has picked up after 2 weeks of being in a slump. And we're in the same area. He's just at the better end of town, and I'm at the worst end of town. At least he has factories and Wawa and businesses. I have swamp, mosquitoes, abandoned house, nursery across the highway. But yeah, so we have some work here today. Finishing up a job on a Toyota yesterday, finishing today. Volkswagen nightmare waiting for parts from Volkswagen. Another Volkswagen down the end out of Philadelphia. They have a general repair mechanic, and then they come across the bridge for the super mechanic, and that's Jude. Return YouTuber to get some more work done from yesterday today, and we had to order a part. And then this story is a 65,000 mile Kia Soul. My stepfather had an older Soul, Jude, how about that? An older Soul that he got nearly 300,000 miles out of it and never had to replace a catalytic converter. How did he get that to happen? Maintenance, fixing the car, 300,000, and it still ran. He just traded it in to get something a little bit newer. He should have kept it, to be honest with you. So the story is with this car, we just started getting involved in regular maintenance. In most people's eyes, regular maintenance means an oil change. That's not what a regular maintenance is. It was here once or twice, and we're saying, hey, your engine light's on, you got a misfire. We should diagnose it and figure out what's wrong with it. They finally declined that work twice, I think, is what the story was. Like digging into why the engine light's on and why it running so bad. And then finally, I believe they had to get inspection last year. I think they had to get inspection last year, so they were kind of forced into us figuring out what the engine light was about. And I actually did a video about the purge valve and doing a tune-up on this car the day that they were here. Now here's the succubus of this situation. Because either they listen to somebody else, or they listen to the internet, or they read the owner's manual, or they go on forums and saying that you don't need to tune your car up for 100,000 miles. That is not the case. So today they're back for an oil change and check engine lights on. Again, engine lights on again. And now it has a catalytic converter efficiency code at 65,000 miles. What decayed the catalytic converter? It wasn't the oil changes. It was driving around with your engine light on with a bad purge valve and misfires. And the cat can only handle so much of that environment before it's done. So listen to your service providers that are good and do the maintenance on your car and avoid problems like this. Sucks for them at 65,000 because this car is actually basically brand new, but you have to maintain it. And I don't have anything else more to say about it. You have to do the maintenance. And driving your car 100,000 miles and just doing oil changes is no longer going to work for you.